Hello everyone, I'm Jules from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever movable pad with 70 and 92mm PZ, 215mm screw centres. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, they're supplied boxed with the individual components inside the box that are bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit. Inside the box you will receive your handle set and an accessory pack. This contains two sets of fixings, one long and one short, two solid spindles and two removable spring cassettes. These particular handles are available in black, as you can see in the video, white, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished chrome, polished brass and silver handles are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So you've got your internal lever side. The backplate measurement on these handles is 247mm by 32mm. Your screw centres are 215mm. Your PZ is 70mm on the internal side. Top fixing screw to centre of the spindle is 108mm. Base of the Euro cutout to centre of the bottom fixing is 13mm. Your external pad side, same backplate measurements. You have a 92mm PZ. Top fixing to centre of the spindle cutout is 86mm. Bottom of the Euro cutout to the centre of the bottom fixing is also 13mm. Thank you for watching.